Choosing the right bank can affect everything from your daily banking to long-term savings. Today, we're comparing PNC Financial and Truist Financial to help you decide which is better for your needs. PNC is known for its flexible checking and savings accounts with a standout feature called Virtual Wallet. This combines a checking account, short-term goals, and long-term savings into one dashboard. PNC also offers competitive mortgage rates and investment products. Fees can be higher for certain accounts, but Virtual Wallet helps manage money more efficiently. Truist, formed from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust, has strong regional coverage in the Southeast. Truist excels in small business banking with flexible loan options, online banking, and integrated business tools. Their mobile app is user-friendly, and Truist often offers higher promotional rates on savings accounts. The surprising truth is that both banks are very similar for basic checking and savings, but your experience can differ based on location. PNC has better technology and budgeting tools nationwide, while Truist offers more personalized service in their stronghold regions. In conclusion, choose PNC if you want advanced digital banking tools and a nationwide footprint. Choose Truist if you prioritize regional support and small business services. Ultimately, your location and banking goals should guide the choice. Subscribe for more honest banking comparisons and tips to find the right financial institution for you.